Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious, quick and easy pizza with Italian hot sausage, mushrooms, and cheese. So let's get started. Yeah, to make our delicious, quick and easy pizza with Italian hot sausage, mushrooms, and cheese, we have Johnsonville Italian sausage, and it's a hot sausage. We're probably going to only use maybe one link. And over here we have a cup full of diced tomatoes. And over here we have a cup full of sliced mushrooms. Now they're canned mushrooms, and we're going to use probably all of them. And over here we have over a cup full of mozzarella cheese. Yeah, because we like our cheese. Yep. And we have pizza sauce here. It's about a cupful. Yep, and we might use all that. We don't know. We don't think so. But we're going to have a cupful on hand. Okay, let's put some of this aside. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and crumble up our sausage. First, we'll just cut it in little chunks. Okay, we'll just go ahead and crumble them up, just like that, and we'll go ahead and put them in a bowl. Okay, there's our sausage all crumbled up. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, let's put that aside. Get rid of our cutting board. Okay, let's get started making our pizza. We have here a large cast iron griddle that we're going to be using, and we're going to put that right in the oven when we're done. Let's give that a little spritz of oil though. And we'll brush that around. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take our large tortilla and we're going to put that right in there. And we're going to put some tomato sauce on there. You know, your pizza sauce, tomato sauce, your favorite sauce. Go ahead and put it on there. Okay. Now we're going to spread that around. Okay, now we're going to take a few of our tomatoes and put them on there. Okay, now we're going to take our mushrooms. Yeah. And we're going to look at the size of that one. All right, let's just put them around. That was a cup of mushrooms there, so we like our mushrooms. Wow, this is getting big already. Now we're going to take our Italian sausage. It's a hot sausage that we crumbled up, and we're going to put that on there. Wow, that looks good already. Boy, is this going to be loaded with flavor when we're done. Yeah. Let's go ahead and put the rest of our diced tomatoes on top. We'll save a couple for on top of the cheese. Okay. Now we're going to put our mozzarella cheese on there. We love our cheese, so we're going to put a lot on here if we can get it on here. It's getting bigger all the time. Let's go ahead and put a few more diced tomatoes on there. And just a little bit more of our hot sausage. Put that on top. Okay. Boy, that looks good. Yeah, I bet you this is going to taste really good. Yeah. It's getting really big though. It's really thick right now. Now we're just going to go ahead and add a little bit of salt, tiny bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, yeah. Okay, and if you want to, you can put some onion powder on there, and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. This is the grated Parmesan. Put that up there to give it a different flavor. Okay. And a tiny bit of oregano. Put that on top. Now if you want to kick things up a notch, put a little red pepper flakes on top. Just a few, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to put that in a preheated 400-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Yeah, let's do that. Boy, this smells good already. Let's put it in the oven. Okay guys, here it is. Boy, doesn't that look good? Yeah. Yep. I wish you could smell that because this really smells really good. And it looks even better. Yeah. Can't wait to get into that. Alright, let's slice it up and have a taste test. Wow, look at the cheese. Yeah, I'm tempted to grab a piece, but I know that's way too hot yet. I'm going to have to let it cool a little bit. Yeah, that's one good thing about a cast iron griddle. When you bring this to the table, it'll stay warm for at least a half hour. Yeah, that sounds good, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, guys, I can't wait any longer. Let's go for a piece here. Let's see if we can get under there. Oh my God, is that hot? Look at the cheese on there. Wow. Does that look good? All right, let's just go ahead and have a bite. Wow. Is that tasty? Okay. Boy, is that good. Oh, wow. The flavors is just really good. All the little seasonings that we put on top, yeah. You know, the oregano, the garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of hot red pepper flakes. Yeah, that kicked it up a notch. That Italian hot sausage really tastes good. I got a little piece on this end. Yeah. Boy, is this tasty. Just go ahead and make them this way because they're really good. And they're not going to last long. So you might as well make two. Yeah. Yeah. I just got to have another little bite. Mmm. Good. Quick and easy pizza with Italian hot sausage, mushrooms, and cheese. Boy, is that tasty. Okay guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.